prices, seeing what the stores have to offer. So anytime I'm doing a project, I already have it in my mind where to go and find the best deals. Of course, you want to be cost efficient when you're doing an organizing project and have some knowledge of what can be used in space. So this is all about research. And I love to shop, and I love to be in the stores looking at all the different organizing projects that it can be accomplished with all the items that are on the shelves. And if I see something that maybe a client can use, I'll go ahead and pick it up. This way I don't lose out on that opportunity to find a great deal. A lot of the stuff I see in the store, I see over and over again, but sometimes you want to come across something and it is on sale, marked down to an unbelievable price. So Target has great organizing projects, as well as IKEA, which I'm going to next. And so just take a look, guys, and I'll be picking up a few things to try to do some projects in my own home as usual, because I love this kind of stuff. And this is what I'm going to do today. So have a great day, guys. I hope you enjoy your day. It's a beautiful day outside here in Charlotte. I'm going to be using these airtight containers to put some dry goods from my kitchen cabinets in. This way I don't use all these boxes that I have in my home in the cabinets. I can just take them out of the box and put them right in the jars, and they're airtight. Keep the things fresh. Look, $2.99. Who can't beat that? That's the best price I've seen. Some of them are $4.99, a little bigger, depends on what you can find. But they're really great for organizing at home. And then you don't use plastic. The glass lasts a lot longer. It's safer, cleaner. I love this one. It's huge. I can put a lot of pasta or something like that in it. So anyway, enjoy watching. Have a great day, guys.